walls. Because of the steep hills and tight turns at the quarry, the engines that worked there were smaller and lighter than other engines. They had special tracks and were called narrow gauge engines. Paxton, a visiting diesel, was impressed by how hard all the narrow gauge engines worked. "If your wheels aren't working," said Starloy, "you're not being really useful." That'll turn on, that'll actually be on every half hour or so. Suddenly there was a loud noise. Giant stones were falling from London Bridge. "Feathers and fireboxes," shouted Peter Sam. "The bridge isn't safe. No one must cross it." At that moment, Ramus was rolling down from the upper terrace. He tried to stop, but his heavy trucks pushed him toward the dangerous bridge. He sped up so he could race across the bridge before it collapsed. Ramus fainted. The bridge thundered apart behind him as he skidded to a stop at the bottom of the hill. Everyone was relieved that the danger was over. Then they saw poor Paxton. He was buried under some fallen stones. He was all right, but he was definitely in need of repairs. Thomas was working hard with Annie and Clarabelle when Third Topham Hat drove up and winced in the track car. "Thomas, I have a special job for you," said Sir Topham Hat. "Paxton has been in an accident and must go to the diesel works for repairs. I need you to work with the quarry and his